What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got some shop card shoutouts that are long overdue. First one up, we have Tim Nolan's Rat Daddy Studios. If you don't know Tim, head on over to his channel, Rat Daddy Studios, and check him out. So here's one of his builds. Ed Big Daddy Roth's Yellow Fang. And then on the other side, it's an awesome drag boat with a Fink figure in it. So YouTube, Tim Nolan's Rat Daddy Studios, Instagram, and his email. Tim actually has a surgery coming up on April 25th, so I wish him good luck. And here's one of his cool stickers he sent along with it. So now that I changed my workspace around, as you guys can see, I have a place to put these temporarily. So I'm going to sit Tim's card over here by the mummy. And the next one we have up is Don's Tattoos Garage. Here's Don's email, tattoosgarage@yahoo, and his channel, Don's Tattoos Garage. Appreciate the kind words on the back, Don, and thank you for sending this out to me. And his will go on the Wolfman. So in the future, I'll try to get more of your guys' shop cards, and hopefully maybe in the future I'll have something to send you guys as well, maybe a sticker. So let's go ahead and get into the other part of the video. Here we have the Weirdos Satan's Crate. It's a 35-piece model kit. This is a reissue of a vintage Weirdos kit. But I got this one for Christmas. If you guys haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. Got some cool stuff. And we're going to be unbagging it and looking at the parts. Like I said, it's only 35 pieces, so it's really not that much. And taking a quick look as well at the instructions. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so now we can see what it looks like built up. We can go ahead and open this up all the way. And this side, it shows you what the parts trees look like. It tells you your numbers. So 21 is the base, 20 is some bones, and those are gonna actually hold up the coffin, as you see from the picture. Then we got 15, which is his crazy looking face. 16 and 17 is his arms. And then we got 6, which are the wheels, and I believe these are the back wheels. It's a 2-piece body. So we got one side is 13, the other side is 14. And that's everything that's on this tree. The second tree has the frame, which is number 3, a 2-piece coffin, which is 1 and 2. Got our headers, which is 10. The pitchfork. Flip it around here so you guys can see it. 18. 2 chains and sprockets. 5. Got the candles. Those are gonna, with the skulls, those are gonna be the headlights. Those are 9. Then we have the horns are 19 right next to it right here. Then we have the front wheels. Assuming those are the front wheels, they look a little bit smaller compared to the ones on the other tree. Looks like we have a license plate. And then these up here is just flashing from the molding. And they even tell you that it's nothing. So that's pretty neat. I've never seen that before. Then we have these rails here, number 4, which go on the coffin. For those are what you actually use to carry the coffin. So motor's already molded in to the top piece. It does have some wooden detail, kind of like the Huey's hut rod. So you can detail that up as much as you want to make it look as realistic as you want. But yeah, got a license plate frame right here as well. It's number 8. So 8 and 22 is the license plates. And then if we go back over on this side where it shows the picture of it being assembled, you can kind of get your color code, your black, silver, red, wood, and white. Obviously, you don't need to follow that. You can do your own thing, but let's go ahead and look at the assembly. So it looks like you put your 2 pieces of your coffin together down on your frame. Then you put the rails on and the 2 sprockets. Then the headers go right into the motor. There's 2 little holes where the pegs go down in there. Then the skulls with the candles mount on the pegs that are on the frame there. Then you put your wheels on. That's another reason why I like these kits. Very simple to put together. Just fun little kits to kind of do. Especially with this one only being 35 pieces. Not much to do. Just paint your parts up, detail them out as much as you want, and then they pretty much all just snap together. You can see there's little peg holes, very little glue, and you're ready to go. But you put the 2 pieces of the body together, put the arms on, put the face on, and there's the pitchfork that you can put in his hand. There's the bones, showing you how it props that up. And then there's the license plate on the back. So just 6 steps and it puts it all together. Definitely really like these kits. So if you're looking for something fun, you know, kind of take you out of your norm, you know, these little character kits are definitely fun to do. Appreciate you guys sticking around with me and checking it out. Definitely head on over to Tim's channel at Tim Nolan's Rat Daddy Studios and check him out. And again, wish him well and good luck for his surgery coming up on April 25th. And head on over to Don's channel at Don's Tattoos Garage. Definitely both really good guys and really good builders. And they have good content as well. So thank you guys for watching and sticking around, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.